Hi guys and welcome back. My name is Stella and today we're talking nails. If you want to find out how I did this manicure in the comfort of my own home, just stay tuned and keep on watching.
So what you'll need for this project is a nail file and a nail buffer, some false nails and a nail glue, scissors and an orange stick for your cuticles, acetone-free nail polish remover and cotton pads, some nail polish colors of your choice and some cuticle oil, and I have had some stickers so that I can decorate them. First thing we do is just trim them down and file them to size that is actually short enough for the nails to have their own kind of curve and not lift after a while. So yeah, that's basically what we'll do. This is some hair dye, don't get disgusted by it. So after we are done with filing, you'll just need to buff them out real quick and just remove all the oil and cyan, and I will use an orange stick to push my cuticles back, and then I will remove all the dust with the cotton pads soaked in acetone. So the next step here in this process is just to trim and file the fake nails to actually fit your nail bed. You don't want them to be bigger or smaller than your actual nail bed. Once you're done with filing and shaping them, you just need to take the glue and just stick them on your nails, but be careful to do it straight. Finishing off with gluing them, you just take this kind of cutting thing for false nails, or if you don't have that, you can use regular scissors, and you just trim them down to a shape that is more natural than the super long one. You can actually use pre-shaped false nails and it will be way easier than that, but I just found this shape and I'm just doing it in a kind of coffin ballerina style. Moving on, you just swipe away any dust residue with alcohol. I use alcohol, you can use vodka or rubbing alcohol, and you just move on to the nail polish. Then you actually wait for them to dry, and it will be way quicker than to your natural nail. I'm always giving it another coat, a second one, but because the nails are plastic, they won't chip or anything if you do just one. And once I'm waiting for them to dry, I just decide on what design I want them to have. Right before you stick the decorations on your nails, make sure they are completely dry, or else you will mess up the whole design thing. I use some tweezers to peel off my stickers, and I found that this is the best way to do it, to be precise and to avoid any fingerprint stamps on your nails. For the use of any rhinestones or crystals, you will just need to use your glue again, because if you use nail polish or something like that, it won't stick at all, other than 1 hour or 2. Once you feel you're satisfied with your end result, you just secure everything in with a top coat, and this gives the stickers protection not to peel away or anything like that. Once your top coat dries, you'll just need to take the cuticle oil and treat those cuticles and all the skin around your fingers. Give it a couple of minutes to soak in, and then just rub it on all your fingers. And if you have some hand cream, just treat the whole rest of your hand too. I don't know how you feel once you've done a manicure to yourself, but I feel glam. I need to take all of my rings and just try them on, photograph my nails and stuff like that.
So this was the process. I hope you like the final result. This will definitely last for a couple of weeks, and you can just erase the color, put a new one in, and you'll be set to go if the growth comes way higher, you can just soak them in acetone and just take a new one, just like that. So yeah, if you like this video, just let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel, I will be very happy to have you here. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye!